Hey y'all, this is Trez, and today I thought I would do a test on my Samson Q2U USB slash XLR microphone and just get an idea, get some feedback from y'all if there's anybody out there listening. I'm curious if you can tolerate my window air conditioner unit this summer. My studio is in my two-car garage slash workshop slash storage area, and I don't have any sound dampening. I have a concrete floor, and I normally do most of my podcast sitting in a comfortable chair, and but it gets kind of hot here in the summertime in the South, and right now it's about 90 degrees, and we haven't hit the hundreds or the 110s yet. But so my plan is this summer to I want to continue doing my my podcast, but I do need some air conditioning in my studio, and so I'm going to turn the AC on, and just if you could give me your feedback, tell me what you think. Right now, the microphone, it's about a half a fist from my mouth. I think it sounds really good. It's a very reasonably priced microphone, and again, it's a USB slash XLR, so you can plug it into your laptop, or you can plug it into sound equipment if you have any type of mixers or things like that. And if you're a artist and getting started doing any kind of music, it's a great microphone. A lot of people use it for voice. And but anyway, I'm going to walk over to my AC and I want to get your opinion on it. So I'm moving the microphone away from me. You might hear the microphone stand make a little bit of noise. So I'm walking away, and I say my AC is I'm about 6 feet away from the microphone now. I'm not talking at it. I'm talking away from it. So it's a really good, I guess they call that, I'm not sure what the dynamic mic, I can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to turn on the AC. And this is about a 20-year-old AC, but it still works. And it's turned on. It's on low right now. And it'll crank up in a minute. So I'm going to move back over to my comfortable chair. And now I've sat back down. The microphone is probably 2 feet away from me, and I'm going to move it in closer. And so this is about normal distance on the microphone for doing your podcast. So what do you think? Now there it goes. Now the AC's cranked in. And is that too much background noise for you? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you don't. But again, this is Trez, and I appreciate you listening to my episode, and hope you have a great day.